In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record using Canva. Whether you're creating an engaging tutorial, a presentation, or simply want to capture what's on your screen for later, Canva offers an intuitive and straightforward tool to help you do just that. Let's dive right into it and make screen recording a breeze with Canva. First, make sure you have Canva open. Once you're inside the Canva interface, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Uploads. This is where you typically manage all your imported files and is also the starting point for accessing the screen recording features. By clicking here, you open up a set of options that allow you to manage your media efficiently. With the Uploads panel open, you'll see various options like uploading files, images, and videos. Look for the option that says Record Yourself. This might not be immediately apparent, but once you spot it, click on it. This action will take you to the recording interface, where Canva offers options for either video recording or screen recording. The great thing about this feature is that you can easily switch between recording your screen alone or including a video of yourself. This allows you to personalize your tutorial with a face-to-face introduction or commentary. Now that you're in the recording interface, the next step is simple. Press record. Canva initiates a countdown to give you a moment to prepare before starting. This is particularly useful because it ensures you're ready before the recording begins. If it's your first time using this tool, you may need to grant permission for Canva to access your microphone and camera, so keep an eye out for any prompts. Once the recording starts, you can capture everything happening on your screen. Whether you're switching between tabs, demonstrating clickable actions, or narrating along, it's all captured in the session. After you finish recording, Canva lets you stop the recording and review it immediately. If something didn't go quite as planned, you can always redo it without saving unwanted files. Utilizing Canva's screen recording feature is a valuable tool for creating clear and dynamic video content. It enhances your creativity while simplifying the technical aspects so you can focus on your message. With these simple steps, you can now explore the full potential of Canva's screen recording feature to enhance your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.